Hey guys, today I'm showing you how to make a boomerang airplane. A lot of people can't do it, so let's redo it. Let's say, here it goes. So, take a piece of paper, now fold onto quarter point, now like this.
This paper works a lot better.
Yeah, right?
Construction paper or crepe paper
like
works
this.
a lot better. That's
now
a light
repeat
paper.
on the side.
But either construction paper or
Now
crepe paper.
fold here, two hair lines where you just fold it like that. Now repeat like this. It's raining. Oh, what are you doing? Okay, now just quarter to here like this. Like this. Now have to be straight as possible as you can. Like that. Now repeat other side, point to here. Like that. Now unfold like this, two parts. Now fold another like this. Now fold right here. So use a line. So we just fold it. Now take this like this to make not look like crossing. Like that. So now take this right here to here like that. Like that. Now unfold like this. Now take this to here, line when you just fold it. Like that. But my screen is too bright, so I got a little bit brightest down so I can't see. Now repeat other side. Now take part to here like this. Now repeat other side like this. Now fold here like this so we can see the line where you fold. Like this. Now unfold carefully. Now flip it around. Now fold to line where you just fold it. Now repeat other side. Like this. Now we flip over. Now fold it. Just push up. Like this. Now unopen like this. Let's see how it's like. Now see, now you put it here or the middle finger like this. Or flip it out and like this, right? Then see how it's like. Usually it's not fine cut back, but it's okay. Okay? I'm trying to catch. Right? I come back. So you can do this, turn to 5. Now like this, and turn to boomerang. But this is not allowed to work. So let's see how it's like. Subscribe me right here and Larry Youngberg right there. Right, set, go. Whoa, that's too fast! Do I see my dad? Right, set, go.
Lightning! Okay, flat. If you hold on a minute, let me explain. This part here that is folded over, I don't know if you can see it. This part here, that goes away from you. Take your middle finger, this finger here, put it in the center like this. Okay? Try to tighten up these creases a little bit if you can. Put your fingers like this in the center. I got the other two fingers underneath like this. Okay, just this pinky here. I don't know what the heck's the matter. That edge is going crazy. Ooh, oops. sorry. And then this finger goes like that, okay? And throw it away from you, not very hard, about straight, and it'll swing around and come back. Let me see if I can get the video over there for y'all to see. Okay?
See how it flies.
Okay, get out of the way.
Right.
Okay, you ready? Okay, notice how that one didn't come back.
Yes.
How come that didn't come back, I wonder?
Oh, I see.
No, that other one that I had
Is
came
it black
back.
and white? Do I make it?
Oh, you know why? This is lighter paper. If you use a heavier paper, where's that other one? Joseph, where's the other one?
Okay, ready?
No. Where's the other one? Just show me the other one. Where's the other one? Okay, this green one is made out of construction paper. It's a lot heavier. This one will come back. Watch. And if you're outside, throw it into the wind. As long as it's not that windy.
I did it!
You did it?
Yeah!
Okay, watch out. See that? Came right back. Wow, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Click the button to the right to subscribe. Joseph Iacobelli. Okay, bye.
Now, do you want to make a small paper? Make a boomerang? Click here. Bye.